Hello friends, today we'll be taking apart the Dell Pro 14 Plus, codenamed PB14250. The letter B stands for plus, positioning this model just below the Pro 14 Premium, which we've already dismantled. You can find both reviews on laptopmedia.com. Let's start. First, we unscrew 8 screws from the laptop's bottom cover. We are using a Japanese industrial standard or JE screwdriver, size 1. The screws are captive within the cover and do not come all the way out. Using a thin plastic tool, we begin to release the securing clips of the cover. Here's one of the retaining clips for the cover. It appears more convenient to continue releasing the cover by starting from between the hinges. Before we continue, check out how the laptop looks with the bottom cover removed. There are 2 variants of Dell Pro 14 Plus when it comes to battery capacity: 45 watt-hours and 55 watt-hours. Our unit has the 55 watt-hour battery. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Don't forget to visit and see our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking as well. The connector with the wires leading to the battery is pulled straight up to disconnect. The battery is secured by 4 screws. Similar to the cover screws, these are also captive, meaning they only unscrew but do not detach completely. We are using the same JE screwdriver, size 1. Memory is soldered LPDDR5X, so buy the capacity you need upfront. Wi-Fi 6E is on a replaceable card just beside the fan. Let's remove the SSD. First, we remove the protective shield. For this, we switch the screwdriver to size 0. In addition to protecting against electromagnetic interference, this shield also functions as a heatsink for cooling. This reveals a small M.2 2230 form factor drive. You can check our in-depth review to see the benchmark results. We ordered the 512GB variant of Dell Pro 14 Plus. and it arrived with a Kioxia BG6 SSD. This is a mid-range NVMe SSD that utilizes BiCS Flash Generation 5 TLC memory, typical for capacities up to 512 GB, while higher capacities use Generation 6. It adheres to the PCIe 4.0 and NVMe 1.4c specification, ensuring compatibility with modern platforms. If you need to know everything about the Dell Pro 14 Plus, read our in-depth review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video.